how to use Lowe's military discount online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use the Lowe's military discount, you could simply follow the steps. First thing first, what you could do is to use the Lowe's military discount online. You must link your military status to a MyLowes Word personal account through one-time verification process. So what you have to do is first of all open your browser and type in Lowe's military validations. So you could go to this section and select the first link that pops up. Now there, you just have to go ahead and sign in or log into MyLowes personal account. So once you've done that, you need to go ahead and move on to the next field. Simply add in your email address, all that. After which, you want to make sure to select verify with id.me and button, and you will be redirected to a secure third-party id.me platform to confirm your service. You may need your name, date of birth, military badge, and separation date as well. And if instant verification fails, you may be asked to upload a military documentations like DD 214, LES, or veteran health ID as well. And you could ensure your primary street address is updated in MyLowes profile to finalize the link as well. After which, you could simply shop it like any other user, and that's how you'll be able to get a discount online. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.